Hello there. So you wanna know how you can simply update your USB drivers on your Windows. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, go ahead into your search bar and search for device managers. Once you've done that, you're going to be on this page right over here. This is where you're going to see a lot of things that is connected to your PC. So there are ports, there are monitors, there are mices, there are keyboards, there are firmwares, there are security devices, processors, and many more. And the thing that you want to simply go ahead and do is there's going to be universal serial bus controller. Right click and scan for hardware changes. That way it's going to go ahead and scan for all the devices or all the USBs that are connected on your device, and simply click on this arrow button. Now as you can see, there are a lot of USBs that I currently have. All you need to do is just click on the USB that you want to go ahead and update drivers on. Right click and click on update driver. Search automatically from drivers for drivers, and then there you go. That is it. You can also search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and finally go ahead and check for updates. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.